Hi guys, welcome to Atita Fitness. So today we are going to do a beginner friendly workout. I'm joined here with a moderator, Amy. She's going to modify most of the exercises that we are going to do. If you want to work out from home using minimal equipment, just dumbbells only, join us and we are going to start this workout together. And let's start with a warm-up before we go to the body of the exercises that we are going to do.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
If you are doing jumping jacks, try to use your front toes instead of your heels, so there's no stamping on the ground. Good. So we are here, active recovery for another 15 seconds before we do squats. Remember, this is the warm-up. Try to keep your legs slightly wide, knees over your toes. Avoid rounding your back. Keep your spine long and straight, chest out. You can do this workout from anywhere, just at home, outside at your garage. We have 10 more seconds to go. Working out time, 30 seconds and 15 recovery, active recovery time. Back to active recovery, fast lunges, keep going. Next we have reverse lunges, body weight reverse lunges. I'm doing jumping lunges and Amy is doing just normal reverse lunges. Woo, they are hitting my legs. How do you feel? 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Good. That was intense. So guys, we are done with the warm-up. Get ready. We are going to start using the dumbbells that we have to do part of the strength training and endurance workout. If you want to burn more calories, you should be doing this with us. Fine. Try to go with a slow pace, not too fast. Make sure you can keep the momentum for 30 seconds. We have 5 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. Good. Back to active recovery. So next exercise, we are going to do sumo squats. She's going to do just the normal sumo squats, and I will be here doing the jumping sumo squats. So try to choose which one where your level is, your fitness level. Grab your dumbbells. Let's go. This should be so much fun. Try to turn out your feet so that you don't have them facing forward. Good job. Maintain your spine long and straight. Avoid bending or rounding your back. Maintain your spine straight, your head neutral. We have 10 more seconds. Cool, this one is going to burn your thighs, your quads, hamstrings, glutes. Nice. It's intense. Back to active recovery. So next guys, we are going to do RDLs, Romanian deadlift with bicep curl. We are going to do it together for 30 seconds with 15 seconds active recovery. Let's start in 3, 2, 1. Nice. Let's go. When you hinge your hips back without bringing your knees forward. Maintain your spine long and straight. Keep your elbows back when you are doing bicep curl. Elbows back, nice. Try to squeeze those biceps. Nice, halfway, 15 more seconds. This exercise is really good. It targets your hamstrings, glutes. I can recommend that you do it time under tension so that you can stretch, feel it on your glutes and hamstrings. Let's go. Whew. I'm sweating, guys. It's hot outside. I think it's 75 degrees, 10 a.m. So it's gonna be a hot day. So our next exercise, we are going to do bent over rows, targeting our back muscles. Bent over rows, just bend here, hips back, bring your hands all the way up, down slowly. Let's go. Keep your head neutral, your spine long and straight. Try not to arch your lower back. Try to pull the weights up, relax your arms down, back. Nice, keep going. Breathe in and out. Squeeze your back. We're going back to active recovery. Active recovery, 15 seconds after each exercise. You can do these exercises at home, outside, when the weather is really nice outside. The next exercise, we are going to do front raise with shoulder press. So now you're going to target your shoulders with front raise and then press with your shoulders. I can recommend that you find lightweight or no weight. Front raise, all the way up, press. Nice, keep your arms straight the whole time. Keep your core engaged, your back straight. Try not to use your spine at all. This one is going to burn your shoulders. I like this exercise. What do you think, Amy? Yeah, it's really good. Focuses on your shoulders. Whew, good. Whew. My shoulders. Active recovery. Yeah, oh, it's this one. It's really good. If you want to burn more calories from home, just doing a workout for 30 seconds, try to join us, do these exercises. And yeah, our next exercise, we're going to do bent over rear delt fly. So again, this one, try to use lightweight dumbbells, because anything that you're going to do on your shoulders, you're going to go light on the weights. So can I take your 10 pounds, please? Thank you. So bent over, try to keep your legs more like on a normal walking stance, where you feel like you are more stable. Keep your hands here and take them out. Let's go together. Remember, it's 30 seconds. Breathe in and then out. In, out. Keep your head neutral. Maintain your spine long and straight. Chest out. Relax your shoulders. Try not to hold them. Just relax them and do that fly. Keep going. Time under tension. Try not to swing the dumbbells. Just keep it slow. Good. Thank you.
Thank you.
This one is intense. Yeah. Okay. Active recovery. Our next exercise, we are going to do tricep kickbacks. So we are going to use same weights. I'm going to use my 15 pounds. She's going to use the 10 pounds. Fine. Nice. Let's go. Tricep kickbacks. Hinge again, bent over, all the way back, forward slowly. Time under tension. Maintain your spine long and straight. Keep your elbows locked into your body. Just squeeze those triceps. Breathe in and then breathe out. In, out. Keep going. Nice. Deep breath sometimes helps a lot. Good. Back to active recovery for 15 seconds. Next, we are going to take a long break of 1 minute so that you can drink some water before we go to core training. 2, 1. Whew. Nice. We have core training. So guys, we are back. We are going to do the last circuit, which is going to be core training, and we are going to do 3 exercises. So prepare yourself. If you have a mat, try to find your mat, put it on the ground, and we are going to use our dumbbells. So keep your dumbbells on the side. We have a nice floor here that we're going to, we don't need a mat. Do you need a mat? Okay, good. So we're going to start with Russian twist, but let's start with active recovery for 15 seconds. Whew. Keep going. How do you like this workout?
It's great. That water's good too.
Yeah, good. Nice. So in 5 seconds, we are going to start Russian twist. She's going to modify the Russian twist. Good. Just back here. I'm going to keep my feet up and she's going to modify the exercise. Let's go together. Nice. Make sure you're twisting your torso without just facing forward and doing the twist. Twisting means you are going to twist your torso, focusing on your core. Just breathe in, out. We have 15 more seconds to go. Keeping legs up makes it more intense. So try that, give it a try. Whew, that was nice. Training just like front raises and touching your legs. Right here, focus on your lower core muscle. Just for 15 seconds. Our next exercise, we are going to do sit-ups, and it should be fun. So sit-ups, you are going to target your upper core muscle. She's going to modify the sit-ups. I will be here, keeping my hands all the way straight. And then 3, 2, 1. Come down slowly. Try not to fall back. Keep all the resistance on your core muscle, on your stomach. Breathe in and then out. In, out. Squeeze. 5 more seconds. So again, let's continue doing the active recovery. Leg raises. This one is also intense. Just keep raising those legs. Keep going. And our next last exercise, we are going to do bicycle crunches. Amy is going to modify this exercise too. One. Keep going. This is your last one. Give it your best. You got this. Let's do active recovery for the last one. Just right here to finish things up. Guys, if you like this video, if you like the workout that we are doing right now, join us again next time. This video will be coming up on Mondays every week. So Amy is going to join us. She's going to modify the exercises. So keep joining us and we'll be bringing more videos to target strength, endurance, mobility, flexibility and balance. What do you think, Amy? Just right here. Stay, we're going to do it for 1 minute. So Just keep going, squeeze everything, shake everything. Keep going. Give it your best. Even if you were doing low impact, try to increase things up. Make them intense before we do our stretches. The stretches, we are just going to do 3 stretches. We have 15 more seconds. Kemi, how are you doing? Good, okay. Let's keep going. 5, 3, 2, 1. Good. So from your standing position, nice, that was amazing. Yeah. From your standing position, I want you to keep your legs wide here. Take your hands on the side all the way up as you breathe in and hold at the top, close your hands. I want you to bend towards your right side. Bend, stretch your obliques. 3, 2, 1, stand straight, breathe in, bend to the other side. 3, 2, 1. Good. Next, I want you to keep your legs straight. We are going to stretch our hamstrings. Now take your palms towards the floor as you stick your butt straight. Okay. We're going to take your hands to the floor. Round your back. This one, you are allowed to round your back, decompress your spine. My muscles are so tight. I mean, my hamstrings are tight. How do you feel? Same thing. Okay, we'll keep working on them. Hold for 3 to 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Come up slowly. Now next we are going to stretch our triceps. Keep your hand overhead, your left hand, and then try to hold it with your right hand. Pull it to the side. Stretch your triceps right here. Most of these muscles that we are stretching, they're called tight muscles. They're underreactive. I mean, they're overreactive muscles. Okay, nice. Shake things up. Again, up. Switch to the other side. 3, 2, 1. Let's stretch our shoulders. So I want you to bring your left hand top of your chest here and try to pull it with your right hand back the way. Breathe in and squeeze. Nice. Switch sides. Breathe in, squeeze. Nice. Now again, let's take our hands all the way up. Breathe in, hold. 3, 2, 1. Breathe out, open. Thank you guys for coming to the class. Good job, you did great. Thank you. We are looking forward again to have you next time. Yeah. So guys, please join us for the next workout session. 30 minutes, quick and easy. And yeah, thank you for watching.